Ummeli wombuso uAdvocate Vimtrengo SC uqhubekile nokuphikisana nobufakazi bukaAdvocate Dalimpofu SC abethulile kanye nokuphikisa ukuthi umshushisi uBilly kufanele ahoxiswe ecaleni lenkohlakalo elibhekene noZuma. uAdvocate Trengo SC uthi abukho ubufakazi obuthole enkantolo bokuthi leli cala elibhekene noZuma lihlobene nezombusazwe.
The applicant has relied on speculative newspaper articles to make the case that the crime was politically motivated. All that is before us is speculation and conjecture as to the motives behind the crime. Consequently, while there is credible evidence to support a reasonable belief that the applicant has committed a serious crime, there is no basis upon which the court can find that the crime was politically motivated.
uAdvocate Dalimpofu SC uthi icala labo lincike kakhulu ebufakazini bukaDauna.
When we trust our case, and I spent the majority of the morning yesterday, my lord, explaining that our case is based not on conspiracy theories or whatever, but on the affidavits of Mr. Downer, on his own version. Forget, I didn't quote anything yesterday from the affidavit of Mr. Zuma, deliberately to avoid this kind of thing, because I wanted to say this is what they say. So even on Plascon Evans, the case would be based on their version.
Advocate Pofu uthi uDauna wephule umthetho weNPA ngakho ke akakulungele ukusingatha ukuqulwa kwaleli cala.
We want, if anything, we want this court to remove, rather than Mr. Downer per se, is to remove his title to prosecute.
Izolo isigcawu sizwe ukuthi uZuma ukulungela ukuqula kwecala lakhe. Ngokusho kwethimba lodokotela bombuso, khona izolo ukutheleka commissioner wezokuhlukunyeliswa kwezimilo uArthur Fraser kumangaze abaningi. Abameli bakhe kanye nezinye izikhulu zomnyango baveze ungaculiseki ngendlela ababizelwe ngayo esigcawini. Isigcawu ngesicelo sokushenxa kuAdvocate Billy Siyaqhubeka.